everyone, it is me again, CP, and I'm at my mother's house. Maybe she will come into the video. Sorry if I have a cough attack because I am sick. I had to call off school twice because I threw up. I probably shouldn't have said that. But now I'm better, but I still feel sick and terrible. Well, that's perfect because I have a snack crate that my mom got me. That's probably why I'm here. That's why I wanted to do it here. And in case something's disgusting, which I hope it's not, I have some ginger ale. Okay. So, oh, I know, I need to open the box. The box! Ugh. Oh. The box. Okay. Brazil!
Ooh.
From Brazil! Look at that. That's unique. The parakeet has like a mask on. Oh, look it. They send stickers.
Oh, they got stickers?
Yeah. And in the comments, if you can tell me what this is, this statue, who is it?
Hello, YouTube.
That's my mom. Who is this? Jesus, maybe? Okay, so then there's a little flag sticker and Brazil writing. Ah! Ah! Where? Okay, that's a mistake. Can't do that. Now, let us see. This is hilarious. This is Brazil, and the capital is Brasilita. Brasilia. Just hilarious. So Brasilia is the capital of Brazil. The currency is the Brazilian real. Population 200.4 million. Official language Portuguese. This month's crate is from Brazil. Okay. Brazil canes. Okay. Okay, enough about that. Into the snacks. Now, by the looks of it, this is a mini. No, it's an original.
It's an original.
Yeah. Because it has the contents of the mini and the original. Okay. So, anyways, first we will start off with Biscoito de... I'll read it off the package. Biscoito de Polvilho. Salgado Cassini. They look like white cheese puffs.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
I'm so serious.
Okay.
I see some teeth.
Oh, that's gross.
We gotta put them in our mouths.
We have stuff like that here, don't we?
Uh-huh.
It just doesn't look so real. Alright, so white cheese puffs, I'm just going to call these things. Okay. Ah!
Let me get your bag.
Well!
They want to be eaten.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Mom.
That's okay.
Oh my gosh. All these went all over the floor.
I just want to eat one. That's okay. Thank you.
Alright. Well, I'm going to see here.
Mmm.
Doesn't taste like anything.
Mm-mm.
They have a good texture though.
Yeah.
That's probably why they sell them.
Give me one more. It kind of tastes like maybe cheddar cheese, but it's
Like-
so faint.
Yeah, like a little hint of it.
It reminds me of a shrimp chip kind of
Kinda, yeah.
texture. Just stir up on me here.
Yeah, I think American Cheetos are better than this.
Yeah.
Next we have these. Pasuquita, I think. Corsida Junior.
What does it say?
Quajo. I don't know how to pronounce.
Fried cheese, breaded squares. Mm.
Oh, these are crunchy and salty fries made from cassava. You know what cassava is?
I don't.
It's like yucca.
What's yucca?
Look it up. I can't.
My son's so
Oh.
smart, I don't know. He teaches me stuff every day.
No, remember that plant that Gigi had in her yard? That grew those white flowers with the big leaves, those big spiky
Yeah.
leaves? That's a yucca.
Oh.
And you eat the root.
Oh.
And the
yucca
flowers.
root?
Yeah,
I
you
have
can eat
heard
it.
of yucca.
They fry it in Hawaii. Dad, have you tried that? You went to Hawaii, I think. Maybe. I mean, you travel everywhere, so maybe you've tried it. Have you went to Hawaii? Or are you going to Hawaii? You did go to Hawaii. I'm gonna settle on that one. Alright, so I'm gonna eat these now. Well, I'm just gonna cut the whole top off because I don't want that happening again. Oh, these are tiny. They're hollow. How are they bread squares covered with...
Let me try one. There's actually more over here. This is a big bag.
Fried cheese bread squares. Torcida is also what Brazilians call their soccer teams.
Salty.
They still don't really taste like cheese. Alright. Next. Okay, what are these called? Dentadora's teeth. I'm guessing that means denture teeth. Gummy candies shaped like teeth. Wear them over your teeth to impress friends.
Let's put them over.
Oh my gosh. There you go. Here. I can't do it. I can't do it.
They're pretty good. Fruity.
Ah.
Oh, fruity.
Alright.
Mmm.
My tasting might not be completely correct because I'm sick, but that's pretty strong.
I see a whole bunch of good little candies in there.
This is gonna have to be split into 2 videos. So
Okay.
I'll make the other video today, but I'll post it next week.
Why? The suspense.
The suspense, exactly.
Okay, what else we got? Oh, she's sticking on me.
A sticker,
Oh.
a toucan. Oh, look at that! It came with 2. Perfect.
Perfect.
What is this?
Peanut. I see a peanut
Oh,
on there.
Pasuquita. That's what this is. Pasuquita. Oh, I misread the Pasuquita is this, but the other things you just tried are Corsida Quajo.
What does it say about this little thing?
The most beloved peanut butter candy in all of Brazil. Small in size, big in flavor.
Mm.
Yeah, and big in explosion too.
Mmm. I love peanut butter.
That's good.
That is good.
The only complaint is it just tastes like dried peanut butter.
It's just sweet enough.
Mm-hmm.
It's very crumbly though.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Probably because I've had this sitting in my room for 2 days.
I can't
That
believe
might
you
be
waited
why.
that long.
There's little bits of peanuts in it too.
Mhm.
Alright. Well, that'll be the last candy this video. And we'll end it here.
Oh yeah, here.
It's 10 minutes long already. I can't post it. Ah! Mom! No!
Sorry. There's too much in there.
We'll do another video.
Yeah, but we didn't even do half.
Mom, I cannot post any
Okay.
longer. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. Goodbye, everyone!
Bye-bye.